I needed something that was bigger than me. How can we really drive change around the world? Growing up from a very, very poor background, hygiene amenities and accessibility to hygiene is a major problem. So I decided in 2016 to grow a business creating hygiene product for home and personal use, and to measure growth in two different ways: purpose and revenue. When Simpleaf launched in 2017, our focus was to start with Amazon to ensure that we can create a customer base and reach the level of credibility we need to go into major retail store. 6 years later, we've grown about 15x. We are now selling in Whole Foods, and we are really excited because it gives us the opportunity to impact our community in a larger way. When you look at every Simpleaf product, you see a ribbon on it. The ribbon commitment tells you what each product is doing in your community. Since our body shower wipes launch, we've been able to donate over 45,000 units to different homeless shelters across the country. Amazon has been the vehicle that's helped us build our community, and we believe over the next few years, will be the one company people will look at that addresses the social inequality in the hygiene space. Giving back, it's the most fulfilling part of my journey.